This is the triangle display. Again, it's a part of the Twisters family. It comes with two bases, two triangles, a set of 4 rods this time, and again 9 twisters that we just clip right on to the pole any which way we want. And in this case we'll have them both facing forward. Temples extended, and a beautiful accent piece for your dispensary. This is the clear rail Twisters display. A single rail, polished, acrylic, 3 holes, 3 different size rods, and 9 Twisters frame supports. With this display, you're able to, again, mix and match the number of frame supports you want on each rod, the positions of the rods, etc. You can also angle some of the twisters so that the eyewear points in a variety of different angles. So this is, again, the clear rail